Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will learn Python Lambda function. In previous video we have learned Python functions. Here in this video we will learn Python Lambda function. It is very useful at some stages because of its features. A lambda function is a small anonymous function. That means it doesn't have any specific name like other functions in Python. Also, it can take any number of arguments but can only have one single expression. Let's have a look at the syntax. To write a lambda function, write lambda, which is a keyword, followed by arguments, colon, and then the expression. We will look how to perform it. We will look it in our example. When we execute it, here the expression is executed and the result is returned in a single statement. For example, if we want to add 10 to an argument a and return the result, let's have a look at the code. Here x is a variable. X equals lambda followed by argument a, and for expression 10 added to this argument a inside this function. Now we will print this lambda function's value, which has the argument value 5 passed in this lambda. So it will be calculated as 5 plus 10 inside it and return the value from this single anonymous statement. Lambda functions can take any number of arguments. For example, we multiply argument a with argument b and return the result. Here we have two arguments a and b, and both are multiplied and result is returned within a single statement using this lambda. Here I am using the same syntax. The function x equals lambda a comma b because I am using two arguments here, and for expression I am using a into b. The result will be returned by this lambda function. So I am printing x and passing two arguments 5 and 6. It should return the result 30 through this lambda expression. Let's take another example to summarize argument a, b and c and returning the result. You can clearly see here that we have taken three arguments a, b and c, and after this colon we have used the expression a plus b plus c, which means this expression will result the addition of a, b and c and return the result when we call this function.